One more time, Vespucci. Show us those lungs. Good boy. The avian world. Got a couple editions. We've had actually over 50 editions. You guys will meet Gunther or Gunter, whatever you're gonna, however you want to call him later, who's one of my faves of all time. He's a sweetheart, but these three, this is our new alarms right here. Yeah, come on, Hawks. Come and visit the 3 Geese. You guys, shush. You're just an absolute gang of weirdos. But these three, I gotta name you. You guys all look alike, though. Huge. This is your normal Oregon morning in November, late November. Morning fog, cold, 35 degrees. Today, no rain. Everyone's kind of content though. Aren't you, preacher? Aren't you? Preacher, what do you think about these new things? They're about your size. They're bigger. You don't care.